In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix high definition audio devices not showing up in Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search. Now we need to type here for device manager if you're having this trouble. Now click on the device manager here. So from here, we need to expand this over here at the top and you need to navigate to the sound, video and game controls here. So if you're not able to find the realtek or high definition audio devices from here, then what you need to do is the first one, we have to click on the view over here at the top and click on show hidden device here. So everything will be visible here from here. Once it is visible, you have to right click and try updating it. That is one of the things that you need to do. So you have to right click and go for update driver. Now from here you have to click on browse my computer for the drivers. Now from here you have to go over here, select let me pick from the available list of the computers. Now from here you have to uncheck this. And from here you have to navigate to the thing. So I'll select the Microsoft. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and select the right device that you need or that you're looking for. Based on your requirement, you have to go for the next and try updating your device, and most probably that's gonna help you guys out. And also make sure after updating you have to do a restart, and that is how we can fix the high definition audio devices not showing up in Windows 11. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.